Hey guys, Glen Online. How are you? Hope you're having a good day considering everything that's going on. Everyone's trying to self isolate, so we're doing lots of testing, we're doing lots of work online, which is really fun. And if you're out of work right now, this is a great time to maybe look at some side income by learning how to use the power of the internet to make some money. So, what I want to give you today is I want to show you exactly how to make multiple streams of passive income with this basically with the super simple step-by-step instructions. Okay, this is going to be super great. So what I want you to do is basically, oops, where did I go, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, and let's get started. So what is passive income? Well, I'm going to show you a way that you can get someone into a recurring revenue stream. So you're going to be basically being an affiliate and you're going to refer a program, but within that program that you refer, there's multiple programs that you can make money on. So it's a very, very, very lucrative business stream to be in. And what's cool about it is that you can actually, whatever the people that join that can then use that to leverage and put people into their other businesses. So the first thing it's going to be doing is building you an email list, which is great. Secondly, it's going to be showing you how to create a funnel, step-by-step funnel that you can use for any business, and you'll be able to bring people into your business by using that funnel step-by-step. And thirdly, it has a really robust email campaign that's already done for you, and that's going to be able to sell other products in the make money online niche from Clickbank. So it's kind of like a whole encompassing thing. So they can either join your business at the front end, which a couple of the tools that they need, you'll make residual income on. There's also traffic, which some of the traffic sources I'm going to show you is actually an affiliate program, so you can actually make money on the traffic. So you can sort of make money with this whole sort of ladder of products where someone joins and then it shows them exactly how to market. And the main business is a really robust MLM, which actually you don't have to join if you don't want to. But if you just want to make some really nice residual income and basically have it recurring, and it's very simple to do, because I was showing someone some Bing ads today on how to do it, and they're like, wow, this is so confusing, Glenn. I go, yeah, you know what? I need to go back and show people some baby steps before they get into running ads and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you sort of the I'm still going to do the Bing ads thing. It's just with this whole lockdown thing, my kids are around and I've got it. It's going to be a lengthy video, so I need to carve out some time where I'm going to be able to sit there undisturbed instead of just a 10 minute thing, which I can show you. And a lot of people right now, they're busy doing all this stuff and trying to just make sense of what's going on in the world. So they just want sort of something they can do, a little step kind of thing that will get them earning some money and basically relieving the headache that's coming. All right, so what are we going to do? We're going to go over, I'm going to give you you're going to click a link below and you're going to join up for a program. And this program actually has, and let me share my screen here, it has step-by-step instructions. So what you're going to do is you're going to land on something, either this page or this page. Now this is built in Clickfunnels, and it's recommended that you use Clickfunnels for this tool. Don't worry, you don't have to buy it. Clickfunnels is you get 2 weeks free to start with, and then you can either keep it if you see that you're making money, or you can get rid of it. I use it every single day. I make money from it, and I use it every single day for myself. And I can show you a really cool trick that people don't know, is that on the basic level, you get 20 funnels, I think. But you can make landing pages within funnels that aren't part of the funnel. So you can make multiple landing pages within a funnel and just use it as a landing page, which is really, really cool. So I can show you that cool trick. Anyways, you're going to come here. You will get this exact funnel. You will get this share funnel. So you don't worry about it. You will get these pages. And to edit your picture in this page, you could use this exact same thing. To edit the picture in this page, all you need to do is go into your ClickFunnels account, click on the funnel, you're going to import the funnel, and you click on the picture and you just change it. So if you've never done anything like this, it's very, very simple. You click on this, and this little cog is going to come out, and it's going to give you this information. Sorry, my little screen is in the way. And then right here, you just change the image, this is the background image. So if you want to click on this one, you click the cog, And there's my image, right? So if I wanted to change the image out, I would just go here and I would change out the image, right? But I don't want to change out the image because that image just is working really well. And there's like 53 pages in there. So I'm not going to say this, cancel. So you're going to get this. And what happens is this takes you through a step-by-step process of actually setting up your own funnel that's exactly like this. And all the links in there, it shows you step by step. Let me show you. Come on. Leave. It shows you step by step on all these steps exactly. And you don't do the steps in here. You do it. So this is the landing page. And when you opt in, you'll then be taken to this next page, and this is when the instructions start. So if you think of it this way, this is kind of the back end of the funnel where you get to edit it, and the front end of the funnel is where you actually are all the instructions are. And it's really cool because you just basically give people the instructions, right? So you're going to go through here. This is Richard and John. They actually set this up. They're very good at it. So they're going to give you the rundown, and they're going to basically on this page show you, and they're going to walk you through this entire thing, right? And you're also going to be getting an email from me, so you want to make sure that you check your email for your emails. So once you've got it all set up, and if you have any problems at all, I want you to message me and help me. I usually charge to set it up, but I'm waiving that right now because a lot of people are struggling. I set up some people in my other business. If you want my other business that I did the video on yesterday, then message me. I can get you set up there. Anyways, you're going to go through this whole process, and when you get to the end, you have the traffic machine. And what you want to do is you want to go basically, let me show you the page here. This is the traffic machine. Guys, this thing works. This thing makes money. It's awesome. It works very, very well. So see, this is the video, the instruction video on how to do it. And so right here, this link these links right here, you can go and join these programs as an affiliate, and you can then put your links here. So when people join your funnel, they're going to get your links here because you're going to give them your share code, which it shows you how to do that. So basically, once you have this all set up, you're going to get that first, let's go back to my Clickfunnels account. This is the link you're going to be promoting. Right? And you want to just get this, the without all the numbers on it. You just want to grab that, and it'll show you in the videos exactly. These numbers just get added because it's part of the path, and it's just a software thing in the back end. Don't worry, you'll get instructions exactly how to do it. And then you're going to go over to the first link, which was the traffic from me. And right now there's a sale, March sale, and you're going to go click, and you're going to say, I'll take 200 clicks, right? So you're going to order this. Where is it? How much traffic do you want? One time, ASAP. Or you can do a monthly campaign, and you're just going to go order now. And you basically pay with your credit card, right? And then they're just going to ask you for your link. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to give them that link that you get from your in your the link that I just showed you. Or you can shorten it. You can go over and you can shorten it with the bit.ly, right? So go, where's my bit.ly? Anyways, that's in another video. Just go get the link and get promoting this thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to buy this traffic, you're going to get 200 clicks. You are going to get signups. You're going to get a ton of signups. Everything's going to drop into your autoresponder, and the emails that you set up, if you follow all those instructions, make sure you don't miss one step of the instruction. those people are going to start getting those emails, and they're going to join your program. They're going to join the autoresponder. They're going to join Clickbank under you. They're going to join all these programs under you, and you're going to make money doing that. Let me get back to here. So that is it, guys. It's really that simple. You're just going to go get it all set up. And if you know anything about and you've done a little bit of work on computers and you can follow instructions, you can have this set up in about an hour, guys, and you can have traffic going to it within the next 24 hours. So you could be making money. Now, the programs that you're going to be joining, some of them pay every 30 days. Some of them pay two of them pay every 30 days. But Clickbank, it pays you can get every 2 weeks, right? I think actually it's a 7+3. So you could actually technically, any of the Clickbank products in the emails that are being promoted, you could make money on those within 10 days of getting some signups and getting some people to purchase that stuff. Now, why do you want to do this? Well, you want to have a list, because what I'm going to show you over the next few days, and that's why you want to make sure that you're subscribed. I want to show you how to do campaigns, how to do, like, you're going to be writing blogs. I talked about a PLR. So you want to be sending people your new blog when they sign up for your list. You're going to send them, hey, I just wrote a new blog. You're going to send them your blog. When you do a YouTube video, if you're doing a YouTube video, you can send them, hey, I just uploaded a new YouTube video. When you want to subscribe to some of the affiliate programs. So when a new product comes along, like there was a product 2 years ago now, I think it was called Video Robot. I made a ton of money on that. I got an announcement that it was coming out, right? And I just said, hey, I told my people, hey, there's going to be a great new video editing software coming out that you're going to really, really want. And just watch your emails. It's going to be launching in the next couple of days, and you want to get it right away because it's going to be highly, highly discounted. And it was. So as soon as it launched, I resent to my list, and I sold dozens and dozens of that product and made very, very, very good money on it. And it still continues from time to time to sell because it's a great product. They've come out with other products now, and they've sort of upped it. They have another one. I haven't done a big launch on it just because I've been busy doing other ads, but that's another way why you want to have an email list. So you think about it, let's say 10% of your list joins your business, right? So you're going to be making good residual income, but there's 90% of your list that don't join your business that you're able to market to. And maybe because they don't want the first thing, they don't want the second thing, they don't want the third thing, but the fourth thing you send them, they go, oh, I think I want that. Boom, they buy, and now they're a buyer, right? And once they buy once, they're going to be looking for your stuff, especially if you're promoting good products. Once they buy one thing from you, they're going to be looking for other products from you, and that's what you really want to do. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Make sure you follow that. And again, if you want me to help you set it up, usually I charge for it. I won't. I will just get you set up and going. So make sure you click the link below, get started, message me. And even if you're going, Glenn, I buy these things and I never set them up, and I never really put them to work. Well, message me when you buy it and make sure that we get this working for you. Let's get traffic. The main goal, and the first thing you need is, if you have no authority, you need to send some traffic at it. So you need to buy some traffic and send it at it. And that's how you're going to really get this going quickly. All right? All right, guys, have a good night. Bye.